Hey guys, welcome to this short video where I'm today going to brief you about this new course that you should definitely get a hold on. And if you don't believe me, you can just check the link that I have mentioned right here, and you can just type it in or go to the link in the description below and find the same. Now basically this is a course right now that is live, and its name is Clicks, Conversions and Clients, which is basically a Facebook and Insta ads mastery course by David Schloss and Matt Stefanik. The best part about it is right now, if you just opt in, if you just give your email, you can have access to the live video training, and you can just watch that video and get enormous value out of it. So I would highly recommend for all of you to just go to the link that is given here or in the description below and watch for yourself what it has to offer. Now before we get into it, let me get into what actually Clicks Conversion Clients is. So basically, as you can see, this product is created by David Schloss and Matt Stefanik. So I would like to start off with a brief introduction of who David Schloss is and why you should definitely learn from him or just jump the train if he is going to give you a course about it, right? Basically, this is the guy who have actually spent around $25 million in ads the last year, and this year he's actually touching 40 million, and that's a humongous amount to be spending on ads. And the crazy part is he's actually very successful in it, and he's actually that guy who works for big companies and makes the ad work for them. So you should definitely learn from him if given the opportunity. Now if you don't believe my claims, I would highly recommend you to write his name on Google, and you will find him mentioned on Huffington Post, Entrepreneur and Forbes.com. And if you can't even do that, I will definitely mention the links below in the description if you would like to see him. And so basically this is something that you should definitely know about this guy, and that's it. So for all of you to know, he has actually decided to release a free 3-part video series with you. Isn't that awesome? He has actually gone through this trouble, and he's actually recorded this 3-part video series, which he would be kind of going live with on particular dates. So right now, as we are speaking, the first video is actually live, and the topic is which ad type you should actually use. So before you get into all this, I definitely recommend you to go check out this link right here, and go to the link that is mentioned in the description, or type this in your search bar and watch the video. Right, there's this intro video, there's this video 1, and you can just watch it. It's completely free. All you have to do is just sign up and you're good to go. That first video itself is mind-boggling. It's actually it will give you so many insights onto how to make Facebook ads work, because in today's time it's very hard to actually manipulate the ads or get approved for ads on Facebook, and at the same time you'll even get extensive knowledge on Instagram ads too. So I definitely recommend to watch the free video. And as you can see, the second video will be available on 18th September, that is Friday. I'll be shooting one more video on that day and showing you what it is on the second video. And as you can see, on 21st September, it's like the third and the last video of the series. So I highly recommend you stick out, and towards the end I will also be coming out with some good bonuses, and giving you everything that is necessary for you to get successful with Facebook ads and Instagram ads in general. So before we wrap this up, I would like to tell you about what the product is, what is Clicks, Conversions and Clients is. So basically, as you can see, it is a course designed to simplify Facebook and Instagram ads so that you can create revenue without wasting a whole lot of money and getting enough income in whatever business you are in. It would be so easy for you to create passive income because of the simplicity it holds, that you would never think that it's as complicated as everyone makes it out of it, right? So basically this is for everyone who is looking to grow, scale, or automate your existing business, or even start a new one, right? And I like, as I already mentioned, you should definitely go check the link below, and you will know it for yourself if you see it. Now, what all things you can do with it? And as you can see, if your business needs traffic, like every business thrives on traffic, right? And if you need traffic and Facebook ads is something that you are fond of and you would like to get traffic from there, then even if you are a Shopify store owner, coach, consultant, affiliate marketer, agency owner, course creator, webinar host, anything of this, all of this above, you can definitely get started with this, because the course itself lays out how you can get set up and how you can learn from it. And just, right there and then you can just stop wasting your money and get fairly successful with Facebook ads. And now I know that these claims may sound dubious, so if you don't believe me, you can just click the link in the description below and see for yourself, because the video series are completely free and all it takes is like your email ID, right? And you can just look for yourself, and if you don't believe me, you can just tell me in the comment section about it, right? But I know you're not going to say that, because this video, like that free series itself, is so valuable that you're not going to regret it. Thanks guys for staying so long with me and listening to me rant about all this. But as a bonus, like just for you, if you just sign up for this 3-part free video series, David has actually gone out to the trouble of giving you a 15-part audience builder blueprint, so which can help you in creating custom audiences for your business. Now I hope you like this video, and be sure to like this video if you liked it, and you can just click the link in the description below, watch the first video, and we will meet again on Friday, that is the September 18th. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.